Are you frazzled by creating a Facebook ad? If so, you're not alone. So I'm doing a special 3-part series, and part 1 today on this Whiteboard Wednesday is the campaign level of setting up your Facebook ads. Hi, I'm Sam Ashdown from Firewave. Let's dive into exactly how to put together a Facebook ad, because it's actually quite confusing. The first step, when you first go on to create your Facebook ad, which is, I think, a big green button on Facebook. When you go onto Facebook, you click the green button and then it opens up to kind of like a wizard. It takes you through some steps. And on the first screen, you'll see it's the campaign level. And this is the top level of your ad. This is what you're trying to achieve with your ad and some basic metrics to get you started before you then get into the next 2 sets, which we're going to be doing in the next 2 videos of Whiteboard Wednesdays. So campaign level has got 3 basic sets to set up. Number 1 is objective. What are you actually trying to achieve with this ad? Do you want more traffic? Do you want people to click and put their information in? Do you want just more awareness? Do you want people to like your page? So Facebook gives you a set of different objectives. The main one we use is traffic. That just means sending somebody to a website so that they can go and do something that's going to benefit you. So that's what we mean by what's the purpose, what's the objective of your advert at the campaign level. Number 2, it offers you A/B testing. Now, this is fairly new to Facebook ads. It's not something we use at this level, but we do A/B testing. And very simply, A/B testing just means which ad has performed better, A or B. Or you might have lots of ads, which one performs better. And funny enough, whenever we put an ad together, it's never the one that we think is going to win that actually wins. So we might put an advert together with me and Phil, and then one with a second option of one with just a house on it, and a third option with, you know, a dog with a butterfly on its nose. Which one wins? Usually the dog with a butterfly on its nose. And you can't predict that, so you've got to do some testing. But I don't suggest, if you are new to Facebook ads, that you do it here. I suggest you do it further down the line when you actually create different ads. We'll come on to that in episode 3 of this 3-set Whiteboard Wednesday. And then the third one is budget optimization. This is something we get asked a lot about, of course, because how much money should you spend on your ads and how do you actually spend that money? So what we suggest is, because you've probably got quite a small audience as an estate agent, your audience is probably less than 100,000 people. And Facebook loves big audiences, but you're going to tap out that audience really, really quickly. Everybody's going to have seen your ads several times. In fact, if you look at the frequency column on the metrics, it will tell you there how many times each person on average has seen your ad. And as soon as you get to step 3, you are kind of wasting your money, because people don't need to see your ad 12 times. You know, if it hasn't worked after 3, it's probably not going to work on times 4, 5 or 6. A little bit different to direct mail, of course. So what we suggest is you just run your ad for about 3 to 4 weeks, and then you can test it at that level. And now everybody's ads work differently in different places and for different purposes, different times of year, different audiences, different kinds of houses that you sell, and lots more besides. So you do need to test this, but generally speaking, we normally find 3 to 4 weeks is enough for a campaign. And given it takes about 3 to 7 days for Facebook to get through their learning phase, then it's really important that that isn't part of your overall ad timing. So that you don't say, right, well, I'm only going to run this ad for a week, because it might have only just learned at the end of a week what's actually going to work for you. So we suggest 3 to 4 weeks. And then when you put the budget together, make sure you do the budget for a lifetime and not for a day. And the reason for that is this. Let's say you set £300 over 30 days. So you've got £10 a day on that budget. The problem is if your ad suddenly starts working at 6 o'clock at night, and yet you've already spent the £10, your ad's just going to shut off for that day. Whereas if you give Facebook the whole £300 and say, right, spend that over the next 30 days, Facebook do a much better job of eking that out and making sure that the days where you've got lots and lots of people clicking on your ad, it spends a little bit more, and the days where not many people do, maybe a Sunday, for example, it doesn't then show your ad. So Facebook's a lot smarter than we are. Let it do its work. So that's all the campaign level. Objective, what's the point of the ad? A/B testing, wait and do it further down the line if you're new to Facebook. And budget optimization, spend about 30 days, between 3 and 4 weeks basically. And I would go for at least an average of £10 a day, but do it as a lifetime budget, not a daily budget. I hope that's helped, but do tune in for episode 2 of this Whiteboard Wednesday trio sequence, because I'm going to be going into your ad sets and exactly how to set up an ad set for effective ads on Facebook ads. See you then. Facebook ads is a crucial part of any marketing, and particularly for independent estate agents, to get your message out far and wide. And so this is something we teach as part of the Academy, and the Academy comes as part of the package you get as a Firewave member. Now, Firewave membership is only available to exclusive areas, so if you want to find out whether your area is available, all you need to do is go to this URL here, and we'll put it in the comments too. fire-wave.co.uk/start. If your area is available, we can have a chat. If it isn't, we might offer you a waitlist place. But do make a start and go to start right now, and let's get you learning all about Facebook ads and lots more.